In today's fast-paced media production landscape, managing multiple videos each week is a daunting task. Teams face tight schedules, various format needs, and intricate approval processes. This guide aims to transform how you approach video editing workflows using AI technology designed specifically for high-volume production. Imagine cutting down production time while boosting quality. This guide introduces an AI-enhanced editing workflow, addressing common operational challenges like bottlenecks in capacity and delays in delivery. By understanding these pain points, your organization can choose AI tools aligned with business objectives, thus accelerating time to market and ensuring scalability. High-volume video production involves rapid daily and weekly release cadences for social media, broadcasting, streaming, and mobile channels. Approvals require collaboration from multiple stakeholders, including directors, compliance reviewers, and brand managers. The industry's evolving landscape, heightened by platform proliferation and the need for data-driven creativity, adds to these pressures. Successful integration of AI tools necessitates a robust foundation, detailed process mapping, governance frameworks, technical infrastructure, and stakeholder alignment. By capturing key metrics, such as project counts and turnaround times, your organization can benchmark AI effectiveness and identify opportunities for continuous improvement. One core component of this workflow is automated asset ingestion, ensuring that all raw media is collected efficiently in a unified repository. This organization allows faster access for editors, sound designers, and colorists. The process includes intelligent tagging and thorough metadata management, making asset retrieval quick and intuitive. AI-powered modules can also assist in rough cut generation. By analyzing script cues and tagged assets, automated tools can create preliminary timelines, allowing editors to focus on storytelling and creative adjustments. Additionally, voiceover scripting can be automated to maintain consistent narration across different media formats. Color correction and grading can be greatly enhanced with AI, ensuring visual consistency and alignment with brand aesthetics. AI tools can also refine audio processing, enhancing dialogue clarity and achieving a balanced sound design, essential for high-quality production. The collaborative review process fosters communication among teams, while AI aggregates feedback for efficiency. All tasks are streamlined through automation, allowing clear and coherent workflows that save valuable time. Render and format conversion completes this cycle by preparing high-quality outputs for various platforms, ensuring compliance and quality checks are met. Performance monitoring tools capture workflow metrics, enabling continuous improvements aligned with operational data. By embracing these AI-driven enhanced video editing workflows, media production teams can navigate challenges effectively, ensuring faster delivery without sacrificing the creativity and quality that define their work. To start this transformation, explore our comprehensive resources and tools available at Augvation. With the right AI-powered strategies in place, you can optimize your video production process and stay ahead in the competitive landscape.